Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Binance Visa Card. First, order your card directly through the Binance app, choosing between a physical or virtual option. Ensure your identity verification is complete for security. Once approved, link your card to your Binance Spot wallet. When your physical card arrives, activate it by entering the requested details in the app. This simple process gets you ready to spend your crypto. Funding your Binance card is straightforward. Simply transfer your desired cryptocurrency from your Spot wallet to your funding wallet within the Binance app. When you make a purchase, the card automatically converts your crypto to the local fiat currency at the exact moment of sale. You can spend at over 60 million merchant locations globally, enjoying the convenience of using your digital assets everywhere. Plus, there are zero administrative fees for these transactions. The Binance card offers fantastic benefits. You can earn up to 8% cashback on eligible purchases, which is paid daily directly into your Binance coin wallet. This means your spending can actually earn you more crypto. Additionally, there are zero foreign transaction fees, making it ideal for international travel or online shopping. All your card management, including transaction history and spending limits, is conveniently handled within the Binance app. Security is a top priority with your Binance card. If you ever misplace your card, you can instantly freeze it through the app and unfreeze it just as easily when found. You can also set daily spending limits to manage your expenditures and add an extra layer of protection. Should you have any questions or encounter issues, 24/7 customer support is readily available. Your funds are always protected by Binance's industry-leading security protocols.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.